We've got a very entertaining combat between Elijah Garcia and Armando Resendiz, and Armando El Toro Resendiz fighting out of Mexico, 5'10", 69 inches of reach. Only one loss to Marcos Hernandez. He defeated Jarrett Hurd and Heber Rondon. This guy is very dangerous in the early stages of the fight. If the fight gets dragged into the later rounds, he starts to slow down, and Elijah Garcia is technical. He is very technical. This is 10-round fight, which is good for Resendiz. This is not a 12-rounder. Elijah will try to drag the fight into the later rounds, especially when fighting against this type of the opponent. He outthrew Kevin Salgado against Amilcar Vidal. He landed a big shot. It was not accidental. He really landed it. He also knocked out Edgar Valenzuela. He is very, very technical. It depends, if you attack him very aggressively, if Resendiz is too aggressive, he might get knocked out. But I don't think Resendiz is going to be too aggressive, though. I think Resendiz is fighting very, very smart. From what I've seen, especially in this fight against Culisto Madera, he was fighting intelligently. It depends. This fight is hard for prediction because I don't know how is it going to open, But I think Garcia's experience should give him slight edge. I'm gonna say Garcia, but I'm not going to be surprised if Resendiz wins.